fine and so beautiful and special as you are.
You are talking as if you just met me. But I feel like you said.
The thing is, you know, each and every day, you look different. I don't know. I mean, tell me, what's your secret? Tell me, what's your secret?
Guess.
It's because you have an honest man. He's always loving you unconditionally. And then you are with a man who would want to spend the rest of his life. So, guess what? Thinking of
what?
the day I'm gonna go down on my knees and propose and ask you.
So very soon. Well, I can't wait.
I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
Ohima! Edie na mi hui. Ohima, edie na mi hu no ha. Ama me ye be ma kwasi yaw. Me ye be ma jimi fuo. Me ye be ma odwan. Ohima, obusuo mi sebi oba be ma papa se be ma papa be ye be obusuo ni.
What's going on?
Why are you shouting?
Enye be ma so odwan we.
O kasa dodo, o ye dede dodo, o ba ha. Civilized people never ha. O tete mu na so so level ni ha.
Ha! Me level ni ha. Ono wo bi wo no ka che so me level ni wa. When I do go school, wunni, and now what say, and now and I do go school. What? No, me catch out. Me do what them? Yes. What? But don't know what you mean. Oh, Fabema said you. No more fat Sammy. Come away now, Governor.
No.
Listen, you're going beyond your bounds.
No, baby. Why should he be insulting you like that? What the fuck do you think?
Wait.
Who do you think you are?
Sewa who no afa oba oye wo size oye wo level say me ma ko school o won who say me ko school no me na fofemu ma grow diem bibia sisa me ti me ne wo a wo da so a cement ne ne ma nante nti nka wo say na ko pe wo so ne wo die what you say me level sisa me nya me so ne me die won hu dede na wo ye
emra na wo sheku kobuo ni mu no hu level
me sheku kobuo mu biem me sheku kobuo mu biem ba
wo na wo ye mprafo na me nkasa emra na wo kobuo no o ne me etna e won se man na magimi sebi man ni bi agimi won se wan hwe ja metima ba odua kun me de me sika hwe mo akọ university no be ka chem se enye me class no o fa be magimi for abi we
Brofo kra me ka wonti bi. Me nti me ko na won ka brofo. Se me no ntina sen.
Ene ntina o ja me. Met me ni wa ka brofo. Ka brofo be ma jimi fo ka brofo no me ka brofo. Ka brofo.
See, I'm not that kind of your small boys that you can talk to anyhow. I'm gonna tell you that, okay?
I'm not kind your bro small boy you come from. You come me. Me shit, me, I don't care shit. B-E-C-D. Shit. You come this shit. I swear, I'll come this home. I will show you. You have now. You combine and fear no. We shall see in this town. I will destroy your life in Asante region. Because them as a fool.